A lot. Never think it's
know exactly how to go about it, and as you may.
But Rizwan has been in brilliant form since he started opening the
batting.
An opening partnership that has averaged over. A little bit of swing there for Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Slip. Lovely. Very busy player. Mohammad Rizwan. It's an interesting field change. Slip comes out. Oh, glorious. It really is worth the price of admission or your time watching by technology. Turned him around. Lovely touch shot. It's almost as if he wastes no energy or very little energy in playing these shots. Top class. To get as low as Rizwan did, because I don't think that was what you call a tip.
Sometimes. Oh, just wide. That was the off break, but it's starting to get out. Right, he's got hold of one. They needed that, and it's just cleared the boundary for 6. The pressure was building, and someone had to release the ball.
And just capitalised on it.
Oh, it was in the air, but split the gap. Probably would have gone over the fielder anyway.
Over the top. Enough on it, and that'll race away. Classy boundary. It's the best opening partnership for Pakistan against. Slot sweep. Over the top. Maximum. Like I said, that's the short end of the boundary. That is what it. This time is Barber. Same result. Smashes it and gets to 50. Shot and thumped in the gap. Babar Azam gets it to the fence. That's going to be another boundary away from that fielder. Tried to fire in the quicker delivery. Time through the onside. That'll get Rizwan to his 50, 52 or 41 and done.
I think it's been that. That is just symbolic of the kind of batting we have seen today. There's 2 fielders out in the. I thought the running between the wickets was fantastic. You release single run, and not just here. Seen so many. Well, of all the things you could do, how high was that? You want to look at that, but it doesn't matter. It's now 11. And now through the onside, there's only gaps at the moment as far as Rizwan is concerned. And there's now. This one is going into the gap as well. Take all the fielders out, you don't need them. Because at the moment the batsman can't even see them. And all of Pakistan will celebrate, as will these 2 young men out there.